Duh. Nakita mo ba yung post? I said, I found out about it 3 weeks ago. Like, this month only. Okay, may nagsumbong sa akin. So, there. As much as I'd want to reveal who this girl is, I cannot. My lawyers advise me not to.
Yeah.
I can get in trouble.
I agree with that.
Yeah, but to clarify, she is not an ex-girlfriend. She's, I think, a side chick. So, not an ex-girlfriend. Kawawa naman yung mga ex-girlfriend na walang kinalaman. But, yeah, I know this girl has always been there. They've been friends for decades and she's always been there. So, there.
Now, again, the curious thing about this is when it comes to infidelity or nabunyag yung infidelity, a lot of people are focusing on the sordid details or the not so important details like kailan, sino, ilang beses nangyari, masarap ba, kinain mo ba? Yung mga ganong details na kung saan hindi mo naman magagamit yung details na yun to actually fix your relationship. Most of people in social media are really geared towards when something goes wrong, replace. Ginagawa nilang dysfunctional ang isang relationship na kung saan hindi na natin alam ayusin yung mga problema dahil nga all connections, all relationships are very readily available para sa atin. Diba? Ayan, magloko ka, magloko yung partner mo, palitan mo. You have the dating apps which you could immediately access para punuan yung hole na iniwan ng boyfriend mo. But does that mean na hindi na mauulit yung same incident na yun with your next relationship? I doubt. Kasi unang-una, hindi mo nga alam kung ano nangyari doon sa relationship nyo. Bakit nahantong or nauwi sa cheating? Most people will say na naman na, cheating is cheating. Can never be justified. I'm not justifying cheating. Okay? I am finding out why the cheating happens para magawan mo ng paraan na hindi na maulit. Just like how I do not justify cancer, but knowing how you got cancer or you got those sakit will help you prevent from that same incident or tragedy to happen. Ang mahirap kasi dyan sa mga pinagpa-follow yung mga love gurus ko, no? They keep on, I know my worth. Diba? Pag ginawa niya to, this is a deal breaker. They do not teach you how to fix a relationship. They only teach you or overinflate your value kasi nga, yun lang naman yung alam nila. I-inflate yung ego nila to the point that even your partner cannot feel the empty hole that your partner is experiencing because of their problem with themselves. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.